Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Unlock your Vivo phone and wake the screen to begin the process. Swipe down from the top to open Quick Settings and tap the gear icon. In Settings, scroll to find Bluetooth, which usually appears under Connections or Network. Tap Bluetooth to open the device list and paired device controls. If Bluetooth is off, toggle it on. Wait for scanning to complete. Press the Settings gear or three dots beside the phone name to open options. Choose Rename or Edit Name to proceed to the naming field. Choose Rename or Edit Name to proceed to the naming field. Tap the text field and use the on-screen keyboard to enter a new name. Type a clear name using letters, numbers, and up to 30 characters. Avoid special symbols that some devices may not display correctly. If you prefer, include model identifiers like X60 or Y20 for clarity. When finished, tap Save or OK to apply the new Bluetooth name immediately. Confirm the new name appears at the top of the Bluetooth screen. Confirm the new name appears at the top of the Bluetooth screen and in nearby device lists. If the name does not update, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then check again. You can also reboot the phone to force a full system refresh. If other devices still show the old name, forget and repair those devices to refresh their caches. Ensure software is up to date by checking system updates in Settings. If problems persist, reset network settings to restore Bluetooth defaults and try renaming again.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.